Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make tamales. So here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need corn husks, corn mace, baking powder, and the meat of your choice. And you're also going to need some lard. And these tamales are going to be made over here at Los Pelicanos. Okay, here we have some melted lard right here. And the meat of choice for these tamales today is going to be chicken. So yeah, in order to do this, you take a pot, put some boiling hot water in them, and then just boil the chicken. Okay guys, now that we got the corn mace ready, we're gonna add some chicken soup to it. Right, afterwards, now we're gonna add some water.
Para hidratar la masa.
Okay, now we got some already melted lard right here, and we're just gonna toss it onto the flour. I can guarantee you guys, these tamales are gonna turn out so delicious. Okay guys, now we're just going to make the sauce. Alright guys, the sauce is being done right now, so we can put the chicken in. Okay, now we're just starting to put the chicken in.
We have chicken tamales on red sauce. También hay verde sauce.
Alrighty guys, now that the corn mace is done, it's ready for the corn to be put on the corn husks and for the chicken to get on it. So let's get this party rolling. Alright guys, now that the dough is done and that the chicken's all ready, we're gonna assemble the tamales. So first you put the dough onto a husk and spread it out, and then add the chicken and just roll it up. Oh my god. Yep, that's how tamale looks. It normally does not bleed out. Oh, sí sangra a veces.
No sangre.
Okay, we've already made 4 tamales so far. Here's the 5th one. Oh. Wow, 2 at the same time. Or maybe not. I did not have this in mind that they were going to make 2 tamales at the same time. Look at that progress. Okay, so take a bowl of dough, put it onto a husk, grab the meat of your choice, and then roll it up. Okay, after that you toss them onto a grill and then just wait till the water boils. Alrighty guys, the tamales are ready to boil. Okay. Woohoo! These tamales are turning out really good. So yeah. And that's the tutorial on how to make tamales. Alrighty, now I'm gonna open this tamale to see how it turned out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Turned out very good. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. Oh wow. These tamales turned out amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.